You're watching the Nature Channel with Spencer and Brandon.
Hello, my name's Brandon Wilson, and today we're gonna be finding the Treleahe. Now, with my partner Spencer. He's a little Spencer, but nobody cares because it's Spencer. Spencer, put the camera on yourself. Put the camera on your face.
Oh.
Put it on your face. Let's go. Come on, let's go. We're gonna turn the camera off and go down there. Let's go. Now, we're going to find the Treleahe! Let's go! As you can see, this is Treleahe swing. They use this to get away from victims such as rats and poisonous spiders and stuff. Let's go! Let's go! Oh no, see that flash. Let's go! Come on, Spencer. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! You almost got plummeted in the face with that. Look, a blue. Let's get it. The Treleahe mating stick. They like to mate with these things. The Japanese call them the... Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Whoa! Check it out! This is the leaf. Yes, many people can eat this. Why don't we have Spencer try? Spencer, put the camera on yourself. Put the camera on. Can you see it? No, we can't see you. Come to the camera. Okay, we can see you. It's very good, isn't it? It's very good. It's very good for you. Let's eat some. Let me turn this. Yes. Oh, now Spencer, take the camera for me. Be loud. Let's go. Let's go. As you can see here, Jim likes to taste rest on the ropes and the blankets. And there's a chair down there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a chair. Let's go! Like, it's just like a human. There's a blanket and there's a tray for it and there's chairs. And as you can see, it makes car noises. Let's go! Let's go! No. Turn the camera. He's trying to say we spotted the. Let's go! Let's go! Oh my! It's the Chanka likes to eat, also known as the bait stick. Let's go! There it is! Let's go! Stop groaning and come on! Get a good look on that. Get a good look on it, Spencer. Let's go. Let's go now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no. Big stone out of it. Stone. In China, the Japanese like to call this a... But let's go back to the Treleahe. It's right over there. They're very dangerous, so we gotta go quietly. Ah! Ah! You're scaring me like that.
Brown, it's a Treleahe.